In this video, we are demonstrating how to set up your passive circuit to be used with your ventilator. We are going to be using the single limb leak circuit, or also referred as the passive circuit. If you have the Astral ventilator, it should already be pre-configured with the single limb leak adapter. Look at the bottom left side, it should be blocked off. If you have the Trilogy ventilator, no additional adapter is needed. The circuit setting in the ventilator should already be pre-configured for the passive circuit. If you're not sure, contact Prop and we can walk you through where to check it. Attach the basic hose to the ventilator. Attach the leak valve to the other end. Now attach the circuit to the flex hose and to the trig tube and to the member.